1 block ng cream cheese, softened or room temperature. Then we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of white sugar. And 3. 1 more. 4. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then hanggang sa mag-incorporate yung ating mixture, and then we'll make a bowls out of it. Be back. Ayan, okay na siya. There you go. So we're expecting to make 18 kasi yung ating mixture na gagawin is good for 18 cookies. Perfect na sila bilog, pero we're gonna keep it in the freezer for an hour. Next step, gagawa tayo ng ating butter, yung ating room temperature butter. Ayan, we need 1 cup or 16 tablespoon. Then white sugar, 2/3 cup of white sugar. So need 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Two-third of salt teaspoon. 2/3 teaspoon of salt.
Dagdagan ko lang sa pasiko.
So mix lang muna natin. I'm gonna give it a mix. Hanggang sa mag-incorporate yung ating butter. Malikot ang kamay ko eh. Okay na yan, ating butter and mixture. Ilalagay natin yung ating egg. 2 eggs. We can add 4 tablespoons of or OB flavoring. 4 tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon pala. 4 teaspoon. Mali-mali. And then we're gonna use this ubi halaya. We need half cup ubi halaya. So it's 2 quarter cups. Now it makes a half cup. And we're gonna mix it again until it incorporate.
Ang ganda ng kulay.
Yeah. Very strong yung color ng flavoring natin. Kasi yung halaya mismo hindi sa ano yun.
Kasi sabi doon kung gusto ng strong flavor.
Strong flavor and color.
Sabi doon 1 teaspoon.
Then we're gonna add in our flour, all-purpose flour, 3 cups and 2 teaspoon. And 2 teaspoon of cornstarch. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then halo ulit tayo hanggang sa mag-incorporate at yun na yun. Uubusan na ako ng words. Yan. So much better na kamayin para mas mabilis. Pag ganito na yung texture, yung kulay, mag-ano na tayo ng balls. So, tansyahin nyo na lang yung kaya mag-fit ng ating 18 na cream cheese. So, out of the mixture, make sure na makagawa kayo ng mga 18 na ganito balls. Yan. Siguro mga 15 to 20 grams ang isa, no?
Mm.
So, ito yung ating first 9. Ito yung ating second. So, we make 18 out of the mixture. Gonna cover this and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes before we add in our cream cheese mixture, and then we're gonna bake it later. An hour later sa ating cream cheese. Tumigas ba?
Ay, nabuksan.
Tumigas na? Tama na. Tumigas nga. And 30 minutes after sa ating dough mixture. Dough ba? Tama naman ba?
Ito yung dough.
So, flat lang natin yung ating dough mixture doon, no?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put our cream cheese ball inside. And
Make sure all covered.
make sure everything is covered. Then roll.
Hindi mo na makita. Oh. Wala na.
Ayan. Hindi mo muna ipa-flatten, no?
Hmm.
And then we're gonna keep it on our baking tray with the parchment.
Oh. Then vanilla.
After rolling it with the cream cheese, we're gonna keep it in the fridge for another hour. For an hour. After an hour, ito na yung ating cookie. Lipat lang natin yung iba sa isa pang container para pag nag-flat siya, ready na. So nag-preheat tayo ng oven, 350 Fahrenheit in 20 minutes. And then we're gonna start baking na. Lang natin ng konting design. Press lang natin ng konting pork on top. Konting design. Kita man yung kamay mo lang eh. Yan natin siya ng 12 minutes. So it took us 17 minutes. Yan. Reset for a couple minutes. It took us 17 minutes. Keep it outside for a little more time and then para mag-flatten siya.
Chocolate daw.
To cool it down. Kuna na. Ayan na siya. Lagyan muna natin sa rack para mag-cool down properly. And we're gonna take a bite later. Ayan natin. Oh, ano cream cheese. Sarap. Ha? Mainit pa. Ang pinakabis pa maharap. Hindi siya masyadong matamis kasi yung cream cheese. Sarap.